this is a tutorial how to create responsive ads reports with click and conversion data. So if you have seen an asset that's been running and you view the asset details in the Google Ads UI, then you can only get impressions data, which is pretty frustrating. And it's also not available in the Google Ads editor. So this is how to do that. So first off, you're going to need Google Ads editor. You're going to pull up your account and you're going to go to view statistics, view channel asset report search, and download that. And then you're going to want to find the file that was downloaded. So you're going to find that in C, users, your user, app data, local, Google AdWords editor, 561, or it might be another one, but it's the top one because you just updated it. And it's going to be the top one in that file. And you're going to grab the file path and you're going to have to download this free SQL viewer. It's called DB Browser for SQL, and you're going to go to Open Database, and you're going to put in your file path there, and it's going to open up, and you're going to grab the most recent file and open that. And then you're going to go to Browse Data, and then Asset Report, and then File, Export, Export as a CSV, Save, and then save it as a CSV. And then you're going to go to your downloads or wherever you saved it to, open up that CSV. You're going to make sure the remote ID is formatted and the text ID is formatted. Let's rename remote ID to asset ID. You're going to need to rename it asset ID. Copy that. And then you're going to go over to Google Sheets. And this is my example that I've already created. I'm going to create a new sheet. Example asset. And I'm going to paste that in there. So let's just add Google Ads. Find our account that we want to add. Okay. And now we're going to add another data source, our Google Sheet. Let's refresh all of our data. Let's refresh the page. Add data, Google Sheets, asset report. There it is, example asset. Add. So we're going to go to Manage Blends, Add Blend, join another table. It's taking a second. There it is. Okay. Manage blends, add blend. For the left side, we're going to go to asset report. For the right side, we're going to do Google Ads. And on the left side, we're going to have asset ID and text. And on the right side, we're going to have ad group, campaign, asset ID, asset type, clicks, CTR, impressions, cost, clicks, impressions, cost, conversions, cost per conversion, conversion rate, and conversion value divided by cost, which is ROAS. Okay. And then configure the join and left outer, save. I think there's one last thing I forgot to do, which is in your manage added data sources, you have to make sure that your asset ID is a number. Done. Okay. So now I'm going to select my chart, change the data source to blended data. Dimension is asset ID, text, and for metrics, we're going to do everything. Clicks, impressions, CTR, conversions, conversion rate, cost, conversion rate, conversion value at cost, cost for conversion, text. So there you go. That's how you create a report. And to make it fancy, you're going to add some controls, your date range control picker, and then add groups and campaigns as well. And so let's say I'm going to select a specific campaign. I want to see the best performing assets for responsive ads in an ad group. I've selected my ad group, and now I can sort it however I want.